Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem. Check the side-by-side error text so you know which application and assembly failed. Open Event, Viewer and Filter windows logs right arrow application to locate the side-by-side event. Note the manifest and assembly names it reports. Once done, record timestamps to match installs or updates, and make sure to run the app with administrative rights for the next steps. This establishes exactly what dependency is missing or mismatched, so your fixes target the correct runtime or manifest. Now you fix the common cause, mismatched Visual C++ runtimes. If Event Viewer shows a specific version, download and install that redistributable, repair existing entries in programs and features before reinstalling. Make sure to match 32-bit versus 64-bit. Sometimes an app runs 32-bit under WoW 64, so you may need both versions. Once installed, reboot or at least log off and on to refresh side-by-side activation. This corrects missing CRTs and resolves manifest conflicts that prevent the app. Finish by validating the environment and taking one key troubleshooting step. Re-register problematic DLLs or run sfc/scano to repair system files, then test the app. If the issue persists, run sxtrace to produce a precise trace of side-by-side activation and inspect the output. It reveals mismatched manifests. As a last resort, reinstall the application and its runtime cleanly. If reinstalling, backup configs first. If you still hit errors, the sxtrace output is the single most useful file to share for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.